Hey there, welcome to Kanzi Media. Today, I will show you guys a simple step-by-step on how to place your trades on Bybit and set up those winning signals. Watch this video to the end as you're about to master Bybit like a pro. Let's jump in. So this is Bybit. To see your deposit, go to Asset, and for the sake of this video I deposited $100, that is 100 USDT. There is various way you can deposit, which is through P2P or a legit vendor who can sell those USDT to you like WiseMine. After the deposit, it will be on your funding wallet, and for you to enter trade on future it has to be on a derivative wallet, which you to transfer from funding to derivative. So here, they say from funding to derivative, and if it's not like that you can change it from here, then after that you click on max, so that all your assets on the funding can go to your derivative. After that you click on confirm, then we are good to go. To trade now we have to enter into future trading, which is derivative, and for spot trading we go to trading on Bybit. But for the sake of this video we are trading on future, which is derivative. Once we are at derivative, here is our dashboard. So now we are going to go get our signal. Guess what? We've got something special for you. Join our WhatsApp group for daily free signals and stay ahead in the crypto game. The link is right there in the video description. Don't miss out on these valuable signals. Click the link and join. See you in the group. So let's go to the group and copy out the signal while we enter it. So now this is our signal on the group and we are trading on core/USDT. To enter this we go to Bybit derivative dashboard and search on core, then click on it. After that, then go back to our group and set up your leverage. Watch carefully for the step-by-step I'm taking on this video to make sure you do exactly what I'm doing. So to do that, make sure your trade is cross. You can use isolated, but on this video we are using cross. Our signals say you should set your leverage to 20x, so apply and save. Another thing is that we have to make use of what we call risk management, which is always use 10% of your capital to enter each trade. You don't have to risk it all, just like I'm scrolling on this. Let's go back to our signal and continue. So the signal said that we should short. This means that when the price of a coin is falling down, that's when you are in profits. The same thing with long. When you see long, it means that when the coin is up, you're in profit. Okay, here our signals say that we should enter at the market price. How to do this is to click on the side and change it to market price. After that we set our target, which means take profit, and SL, which means stop loss. So go to Bybit and click on where you see TP/SL. Please always pay attention to our signals to know when we say short and long to avoid mistakes. So watch the video carefully as we proceed on what I'm doing. After we are done, you click on confirm, then our trade is good to go and has been triggered. Here you see I have 102 USDT before, but after entering the trade, it's now 92 USDT, which means we have used 10% of our capital to enter this trade. Another thing is when you are asked to send in your ROI, that means return on investment. To get the ROI, click here so you can get and save it to your gallery and send it to whoever that asks of it. When the trade reads green, it means we are in profits, and when at red, that means loss. But you don't have to do anything else since our stop loss and take profit has been set. This is all you have to know on how to set up signals on Bybit. Drop your comment on next video you want from us.
Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button now if you haven't do so, then like and share these video if you really enjoyed it.